63% of roles requiring AI understanding are not in tech at all. July 26, 2026. Artificial intelligence is rapidly moving beyond programmers, software engineers, and data scientists and into familiar professions such as human resources, marketing, physical therapy, sales, and driving. A new analysis by Indeed Hiring Lab, based on job postings in the US and 5 European countries, found that the number of US job title categories explicitly containing AI more than tripled in 4 years, rising from 264 in early 2022 to 822 in the first quarter of 2026. That represents 8.3% of all job titles examined, roughly 1 in 12. Even more striking, 63% of these AI-related roles in the US were non-technical professions. Similar patterns appeared in Europe, where AI-related jobs were outside software and data fields in more than half of the countries studied. Researchers focused on job titles that appeared in at least 5 postings in a quarter, reasoning that including AI in the title indicates that employers consider AI a core part of the role rather than simply mentioning it in a job description. Examples in the US included an autonomous truck test driver, a physical therapist using AI for documentation, a real estate agent using AI to identify clients, and an electrical engineer working on battery systems for AI data centers. In Europe, Germany sought HR managers who could use AI to improve efficiency, France advertised sales positions for AI products and services, and the Netherlands sought marketing and advertising workers using AI for content creation and campaign management. The research identified 3 major areas driving the trend: implementing AI in organizations, creating and testing data and content for AI systems, and training employees, customers, and students to use AI tools. This does not necessarily mean hundreds of entirely new professions have appeared. Rather, many established jobs are acquiring a new layer of AI-related skills. Indeed Hiring Lab Senior Director Powell Arjun told Business Insider that employers are generally seeking people who can combine professional expertise with the ability to use AI effectively, not necessarily workers with computer science degrees or advanced technical knowledge. A physical therapist still needs clinical expertise, an HR manager must understand people and organizations, and a salesperson must know how to build customer relationships. AI simply enables them to document, analyze, find opportunities, and complete tasks more efficiently. The development resembles the spread of computer skills. Once considered an advantage mainly for technology workers, computer literacy eventually became a basic requirement across almost every office job. AI skills may now be following the same path. For workers and job seekers, the message is not necessarily to change careers or become AI engineers. Instead, they need to understand how AI can improve the work they already do and be able to demonstrate that ability to employers. Arjun also warned that the trend could widen the gap between workers who receive AI training and access to tools and those who do not. Another Indeed analysis suggests a potentially important shift. From 2022 to 2026, occupations more exposed to AI generally experienced larger declines in job postings. Yet over the past year, those same occupations led the recovery. Researchers caution that this does not prove AI caused the rebound, but it raises the possibility that AI is gradually shifting from a technology that reduces demand for workers to one that creates new roles and transforms existing ones. The key question in the labor market is therefore changing, not simply which jobs AI will replace, but which workers will learn to use AI effectively within the professions they already have. By the Jerusalem Post, story by Liad Vaknish.